Let us start with the new chapter, arithmetic progression. Now here we will see what is arithmetic progression. Before that will have to know what the sequence is. A sequence is a set of numbers where the numbers are arranged in a definite order like the natural numbers, and such numbers are called as a sequence. Suppose A1, A2, A3, A4, such types of numbers are called, which are arranged in a specific order or which have some rules in between them is called as the sequence. Now another some of the terms in this sequence are terms. Term 1, term 2. First number which is there in the sequence is known as T1. Second number is T2. Such type. Now if you see on page number 57, some sequences are given and they have some relation between this term 1 and term 2, term 2 and term 3. If the sequence is having relation and which is in the form of addition, then such type of sequence is called as the arithmetic progression. And if they are not having the addition relationship among themselves and but it is having multiplying, then such type of sequence is called as geometric sequences or geometric progression. Now this year we are going to study only arithmetic progression, that means where only addition is the relation between the terms. Now you can see if the first term, that is T1, is A, then 2T will be the A plus D, and D is the common difference between them. T3 will be A plus D, that is A plus 2D. From this you can find the next terms due to this formula, according to this formula. Now just see the solved example. See here 5, 12, 19, 26 are the terms. Term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. Now you can find the D. D means difference between these two, and A is the first term. So by using this you can find the succeeding terms also. If you go through solved example, you will come to know that how to find the succeeding terms. Just solve the practice set 3.1. Now another part is nth term of an arithmetic progression. Now here we can find the nth term. Here instead of finding the succeeding, that is the next term, we can find the nth term, the number of term we need, by formula Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If we use this formula, we can find the number which we want. This is the only one formula you can find. You can solve this practice at 3.2. After this is we are going to study a new type, that is addition of arithmetic progressions. Addition of arithmetic progression, that is sum of first n terms of arithmetic progression. For that we have simple formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus small bracket n minus 1 into d bracket close. Here Sn is the number which you, so sum of the numbers which you want to find. N is the term, number of the terms. A is the first term and D is the difference between two consecutive terms. With the help of this you can find the sum of the numbers which you want. After that is the application. Before that you have to solve 3.3. After that is application of arithmetic progression. What do we have learned? Where to use this? For that you just go through the solved examples given on page number 73, 74, 75 and 76. Some of these examples in which you can find the sum of the arithmetic progression. Solve practice set 3.4 as an homework along with the practice set 3.